Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I guess happy new year 2024. Yay. Can't believe we're gonna enter March in like less than a week. Anyways, I have this sticker unboxing. I'm super excited about this just because obviously you guys know this is my favorite sticker shop, and guess who they just added on the shop? V. And I use Inspire Outfits from her music video. Oh my god, that video was so good. I love the music video. Well, actually, you can even say that it's like a short film because it was so good and so sad in the end. But yeah, let me show you because the little drawings came out so freaking cute. Oh, I got a freebie. Oh, this one's so cute. So yeah, that's her new drawing style that she just added on the shop. And let me show you. So I got a promo card. And then this is the order. Oh, I got more free. Oh, wow. Okay, so these are the bigger sizes, and let me show you. Oh, I also got the other one that I was missing for JK's outfits to add it to my collection. Okay, so yeah, like these came out so adorable. Obsessed. Like imagine a plushie in this design. It would be so cute. But yeah, so I got she designed both the outfits. So where is it? Okay, so this one's like mostly throughout the whole video, right? And then we have the one through the camera. I'm telling you, I loved that video. It was so good. Like the way, honestly, like I said, it literally felt like a short film. Like I don't know what else to say. Like it was so good. I'm excited to see actor Kim Tae-young in the future. But yeah, obsessed. Okay, so tomorrow hopefully I can find a cute frame that I can frame both of these and put them on my desk because I'm obsessed. They're super cute. But anyways, okay, let me get my sticker book. Okay, so I know I haven't done an update on here on YouTube, but I basically ended up changing, instead of using these like sticker sheets, right, that you can peel off and whatever's, I ended up just getting the little pockets like for the photo cards, and I like this way better. I think it looks a lot nicer. Mostly importantly, I'm able to take them out in and out and display them in these like little fun frames around my room. So that's the main reason why I changed from like the sticker sheets to the little pockets. But yeah, I was missing, hold on, where are you? Yeah, so I have this one from his solo stuff that he's been doing, and then I have a new one. Yay, we can add this to the collection. Okay, so like I said, these ones we're gonna frame, but you know what, maybe I could frame the mini ones instead, because I wanted like a clear little heart, and then I could do the double-sided where I could put the nice one and then the back one, it could be like that. I just need to find a frame that could fit both. Put it like that, right? One side and the other side could be this. That'd be cute. Okay, so tomorrow we'll go shopping for a frame. Okay, so let's put this one, yeah, we'll put it with B section with all of his solo stuff. Like she even did the little blue eye. Oh my god, these came out so cute. See, I'll link the store down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, that's basically what I purchased. Oh, so cute. I'll post like a shorts or reel, whatever. Hopefully I can find like a cute frame for these. And then I'll show you guys how it looks on my desk. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to unbox this with you guys. And yeah. I'm over here ending the video when I still have this one to put away. But yeah, so I'm assuming this would be her new drawing style for the store, which again, I'm okay with it. I'm super happy whether she does the little island style or her style, because both of them are so freaking cute. So yeah, let's put this one away. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how my little sticker book collection is coming along. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.